SandX by Vancouver Automation sets a new standard in automated sanding. Unlike traditional automation that depends on fixed positioning, heavy guarding, complex setup, and rigid part presentation, SandX is built for real production. Operators can place multiple doors and panels of varying sizes onto the table without precise alignment, without dedicated jigs, and without slowing the line down for changeovers. Just load the parts, press start, and the system takes over. At the heart of SandX is a collaborative industrial robot with active force sensing, designed to work alongside people in a shared workspace without the burden of traditional cages or fencing, subject to the final site safety design and risk assessment. That means manufacturers get the proven reliability of an industrial robot platform, while gaining the flexibility and accessibility normally demanded in modern human-centered production environments. What makes SandX truly exceptional is the way it combines AI vision with advanced force control. The system automatically detects part size and variation, then adjusts sanding pressure in real time to follow surface imperfections more naturally. Instead of applying a fixed mechanical approach, SandX delivers a controlled touch needed to mimic the feel of a skilled human hand, while maintaining consistency, repeatability, and endurance that only robotics can provide. This is where SandX separates itself from conventional sanding automation. It is not limited by rigid setups, fixed positioning requirements, or labor-intensive programming. It is faster to run, easier to operate, and far more adaptable to the demands of a high-production environment. And because it is built on an industrial robotic platform, SandX delivers the long-term dependability manufacturers expect. It is engineered for exceptional durability, with design life focused on years of reliable operation and minimal maintenance, while still offering the advanced sensing and control needed for precision finishing. The result is a sanding system that brings together the best of both worlds, the strength and reliability of industrial robotics, and the intelligence and responsiveness needed for modern finishing applications. SandX by Vancouver Automation. Industrial reliability, intelligent force control, high production without the complexity.